Okay. Okay, so this is just a quick video showing you how you can restart the oil maintenance light in your Toyota. So this is a Toyota Wigo 2024. I recently just did my 20,000 PMS service, but the maintenance light wasn't reset, so hindi siya, it's still popping up. The light is still switched on since it's an automated light based on the number of kilometers in your Odo. So I just need to reset it since I've already done my PMS. Alright, so the first step is press on your start, push start button twice just so everything turns on. You can see here we have to set the press on the Odo so that A shows up, if you can see it there. So let's just go around it again. You can see here A shows up, letter A, it's there. So you can zoom in there. Yan. And then this is the oil maintenance light that we want gone. Okay, so when the engine is turned on, actually everything there just disappears, but this one remains. This particular light remains. Okay, so now it's at A, we push the start again to turn it off, and it's gone. And let's turn it on again twice, but this time we have to press the Odo button while pressing the start button twice. So let's press this one, long press, and then let's push start twice. 1 and then 2. So let's long press, and then let's just wait for it to reset. There, it's blinking, and it's gone. Okay, so that's it. When we start the engine, let's turn it off again. If we start with the brakes on, that will light up, but it will disappear afterwards. Alright, that's how you reset your oil maintenance light in your Toyota. Bye.